Hey everyone, Josh here from Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be going over a Glowforge Premium feature called Free with Premium. What this is going to be probably the most beneficial item so far that they've released with Glowforge Premium. It's where they give you free designs for being in Glowforge Premium from their catalog section. As you can see, I've got 3 of them on here so far. I've got the Design of the Month puzzle box here, the little card holder, and the Marble Run game so far. I haven't printed any of these yet. I just added them to get used to this Free with Premium to make this video for you guys to show you how to use it, what to expect from it, and my thoughts on it. So let's go ahead and jump into this. And before we get started on that, if you don't know what Glowforge Premium is so far, that is their monthly subscription that you can sign up for these extra benefit features. You do not need it for basic functions of your machine. This is just premium features, and it costs $50 a month after November 3rd. So you would want to get in on this before November 3rd at the discounted rate of $15 a month, as long as you stay subscribed indefinitely for it. So to start off, let's go ahead and open up this catalog here. I'm going to just open it up in a new tab. So as you can see, you can click all designs and you can see the regular catalog if you want to. There will still be some paid items in that, but the Free with Premium is what we're going to be focused on today. So let's click on Free with Premium here. As you can see, I already added this design, and this design to my dashboard. I'm going to show you really quickly the Design of the Month and why that's different from the other ones. So the Design of the Month you'll see in blue here. The rest you'll see with an orangish color. The difference between Design of the Month and the other ones is the Design of the Month one will actually have a buy button down here. It'll still be free as long as you're paying with premium, but if you click buy while it says Design of the Month, that will add it to your dashboard, and it will always be on your dashboard even if you cancel Glowforge Premium. So that will be your design to print forever at that point. After you click buy, mine obviously says open my design because I've already purchased this under the free option here. But after you click buy, you'll have to type in your basic payment information. Just like when you buy Glowforge proof grade material, you'll type in like your basic shipping address, your name, etc., and then you'll click buy. It'll still be free, so don't worry, you're not going to get charged for it, but it's just doing that so it has a way to send you a receipt by email showing that you own that design forever. So with that out of the way, that's the only real difference between these. To my understanding, these will still be able to be added after the month is over, but as a standard design in that orange color. So let me go ahead and click back. I'll show you that. So let's go ahead and say this business card holder here looks pretty cool. So we'll just click on that one for the example here. As you can see, it says Free with Premium. It's orange. So to my understanding from what they've explained, that Design of the Month, if you don't download it within that month, you can still download it with the Free with Premium, but it won't be yours forever. So if you cancel Premium, you can't use it again after that, to my understanding. I'm sure they'll release more information after November 3rd on all of this, but just wanted to point that out. So now, all you got to do is, let's say we want to make this design and add it to our dashboard. All we're going to have to do is click Add to Dashboard. Right now, it says that it'll be added to your dashboard shortly, so that's cool. If you want to give a shout out to the creators of those designs, it'll show you the creators' names. So if you have questions for them directly, you could technically contact them if you want to, but there's actually instructions that are included with this, and we're going to get into that. So now that we added it, that's going to be the exact same with any design. We're going to go back to our dashboard. I'm going to just refresh this page here. And as you can see right here is that business card holder is now on our dashboard. So I'm going to go ahead and open that. And before I open that, I wanted to point out one more thing. So as you can see, this is only one icon here. That means it's one page or one sheet that it's going to use. But as you can see with these over here, there's two different ones. It has a number 1 and a number 2, and it tells you what type of material you want on both sheets. So the first sheet's going to be veneer, and the second sheet's going to be medium clear acrylic. And then for the design of the month, there's 3 different sheets. And as you can see, I opened the first one and then opened the second one. So now they're out of order. So that's one thing I don't like about this free with premium, is your files are actually going to be on here permanently like this forever unless you remove them, and then they're going to be changing order as you use them. But as you can see, here's sheet 1, it tells you what material you need, sheet 2, the material you need, and sheet 3. So I just wanted to point that out. But let's go ahead and open up the one that I just downloaded here. And there you go. As you can see, we've got it opened here. It's all the way off to the right hand corner. So you could technically print this out of the material that it's recommended for. If you need instructions for this, you'll just click these 3 dots here, and then you'll click on Design Details. And then after you click on Design Details, see, this one doesn't have instructions, but usually there are instructions in this list here. But this gives you a perfect example here on how to reset it. So you can actually reset your designs right from here. So what I mean by that is, let's say you delete this piece right here. We delete it. I'm going to click Reset Design. It's going to reload and bring it back exactly how it was. So if you ever mess up one of these designs, you can always go back to that. Let's go ahead and go back to the home page, and I'll show you this marble run game. I'm thoroughly impressed with how the designer of this one laid everything out to fit perfectly on here. And then this one I know for a fact has instructions with it. So let's click the 3 dots, click Design Details, and as you can see, you can reset this design if you need to. And you can even open the instructions in a new tab if you want to, so you can view the tab at the same time. But it tells you what you need. So you need glue, you need some marbles or ball bearings, and then a small mallet. And then it'll say like print your design, and then it shows you the actual wheels and how you assemble them. So it's pretty detailed instructions here. Let me clear that out of the way. But yeah, it'll literally show you step by step on what you need to do. So this is really nice instructions here. So that is a cool feature. And like I said, I'm pretty impressed with how this designer here has this all perfectly laid out on one sheet of material. So I think I may give this one a shot, see how it turns out in the future. But that's pretty much it, you guys. That's exactly how you use all of the features of free with premium. Like I said, my thoughts on it is it's cool that you can get the designs, but it's not really that neat that you can't really edit them easily. So what I mean by that, for example, is let's say, let's open up that marble game again. And for some reason you want to add like a cutout right in here. Yes, you have like these little designs, but let's say you want to make your own custom design cutout, like a squiggly line or something like that. Can't really add that easily on here, and there's no way to actually export these designs into Illustrator or Inkscape and then make changes on your own vector program. So you got to keep that in mind. Also, if you have, let's say these tabs here are not tight curve fit, you can't really edit the tabs either because you can't bring it into your own file. So you'll have to add glue at that point if it's not tightly designed right off the bat. So those are 2 things that I really don't like about these designs. But overall, with them being free with premium, that's nice. So if you're using other premium features, that's just an added benefit of getting these designs for free there. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll do some more premium features videos in the future with different things that come with premium. But right now we're just focusing on this free with premium here. I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll catch you guys next time.